Good afternoon, everyone. I am Dhruv Upadhyay, a 7th grader from Ayat Public School, Pune. Today, I have prepared some projects for our Indian Army, introducing our Indian Army with technological and modern warfare. I have prepared a vehicle known as Rudra. The main work of this vehicle is landmine detection on the warfare areas where the enemies have dug and installed landmines. The major work of this the vehicle, is to identify the landmines and indicate on the server so that the landmine pluggers of our Indian Army will plug out them. As we can see, that the vehicle is started moving. We can also fit a GPS location, or we can also make it a vehicle that will follow particular path by inserting line follower module in it, line follower system in it, or we can also make this robot with the help of GPS tracker, which will insert the locations and the path where this robot has to go. We can see the vehicle is moving. Now the sensor part. If the sensors, which are the nails which are acting like a sensor, if they will sense any object or any material, same like the material and objects of landmine, it will start creating a beep sound. We can see that here the sensors are sensing this as landmine, and they started making sounds. This will indicate on the GPS that on this locations the landmines have been detected, and the landmine plugger team of our Indian Army will go further, and then they will safely plug out the landmines from that sites. This project is inspired from the Arjuna Mark 1 tank deployed in our Indian Army. It has a landmine turret and a landmine plugger which acts the same like this car. This function is same like this vehicle. Whenever the sensors located below it sense a presence of any landmine, the turret part of the tank has some pluggers. The pluggers goes down and they dig out or dug out the landmines wherever it senses. The next project created by me is automatic firing system that is also a bunker safety system. The major function of this is like the wars we have seen, like Kargil war held with Pakistan in 1999, where the Indian Army was facing difficulties because in the place of Kargil is at very high altitude, and whenever the seasons of winter come, there is a lot of snowfall and the weather is very cold. That's why Indian Army and Pakistan Army decided to move out and close their post. Indian Army moved, but Pakistan didn't. That was the point when Pakistan captured the camps and bunkers of Indian Army, and that led to a war. So this is the system created for that thing that we faced. Whenever the Indian Army will move back from their post, this should be deployed. This prototype should be deployed there to make sure the Indian Army's bunkers are safe and are not attacked by any enemies. Here we can see that green light for the IR sensor and red light for the module is going on, is blinking. Whenever the IR sensor will detect presence of any object, the pump will automatically start, which is acting like a fire gun. This is just a prototype. The name of this prototype is Yamdoot, and it can also be fixed into a vehicle, which will help the mobility of it, which will help it to go and surveillance to places. Will fix into a vehicle like this. It will also help in Indian Army's surveillance. These were the projects created by me on the topic of Atmanirbhar Bharat, because the defense system which I have made, named Yamdoot, is now in India, in our country. We are bringing it from Israel. The name is Iron Dome. The function of this is same, but it is a thing that it it is made in Israel, not in India. It's a thing of Israel. Engineers and scientists belonging to our Indian army and our country India, like DRDO, should take a step into this and should create some defense systems and defense modules, like which I have created like a prototype in a large scale for our security of our Indian country and helping our Indian army. Thank you. Jai Hind.